Hello, now we in Nizza, in the France, and we take interview with Erik. Yes, it's correct? Yes, Erik, and it's a company Alliance Cube. We make beautiful images for 3D visualization and pictures for brochures, some booklets, different things. The questions. Erik is our old customer. We work together about 3
years now.
3 years and make some projects. Okay, very interesting. How is tell about your company, about your work, how your work was project. You make 3D or maybe other. What is the main course of your company, and maybe some interesting things about work in France. What you can talk about this?
Okay, so we are an advertising company, and we work with a lot of customers. First of all, we work in a advert company, so we make a lot of communication, job, like small business card, like a pamphlet, like booklet, like any communication you need in your company. You make from the conception of the logo type to the print. So that is our first, our first job. But we developed some years ago the CGI, and we start to work with some.
Why you start CGI?
Because
second. Friend, can you make music a little?
Yeah, Franck, tu peux nous simple
music.
We start CGI approximately 3 years ago, and we start because we thought that some company needs to have some beautiful image to sell and to promote some building, some office building and some villa to promote, to sell. So we propose some image, and the image was very interesting for the architect. So we start like that.
I see some magazines with advertisement in French magazines, and visualization not super. But
yes,
it's in France.
Yes, in France it's a very new. So
yes, new.
You know, the architect don't have the, what do you mean? He don't know exactly the how the computer can do this kind of image. So he work, but with the old technology. So he work with the drawing and some. Yes, exactly. So it's a very new. So we try to show to the architect this kind of CGI to show them that it's possible to have a very beautiful image, and it's not usually, but it starts to have a good it's some good job to show to the architect, and this is very interesting for us to show how we can try to create some CGI from nothing, in fact. So it's very interesting.
When you work with, do you work with French architects or?
Yes, it's a French architect.
Some Italian?
Yes, we start also with some Italian, exact.
Which better to communicate?
Yes, it's better. And the Italian have some old background from design. So it's a very good architect and very good designer, better than the French. But they are in a French Riviera. Here we have a lot of possibility, because there are a lot of beautiful, nice place, villa and something like that. So we can make a good job. Yes, construction. It's interesting. It's not just a small job.
Last projects we have about reconstruction some villas.
We have work in private villa, and it's a duplex villa. So the promote company don't want to construct a new place. Just he want to show to the potential clients what is possibility to have, and so we make the CGI and a small booklet to show what kind of interior design we can have at the final. So we with a small budget, it's possible to have a beautiful image without to reconstruct all the building or all the interior. So but it's private villa. It's not a very big project, but it's interesting because you need to show to go to the villa. You need to shoot in a HDR to have the environments, and it's very interesting. So
what is your work procedure? You told about HDRI and something maybe interesting thing. What is the standard work procedure when you start a new project, for example?
Yeah, we start from nothing. So we have
communicate.
Yes, we communicate, but we propose to our customer. It's why we have an advertising company. It's very interesting for the customer because we can propose different kind of services. So we can propose the reconstruction of the
a lot of
office.
services.
Yes,
in the pack.
All in one, in pack, exactly. So we can make the CGI, we can make the brochure, we can make the promote in the advertising magazine. So all in one, and we can make also a virtual tour in websites. We can make the website all in one place. So for the customer, it's very interesting.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Because only one thing it's less interesting for customer. A way like it's all together.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Yeah.
And so you. What is the work procedure? You work with final customer or with architects or with designers, or sometimes you need to communicate for one job, for one pass of job with designers and some pass of, for example, with commercial director for advertisements. How does it work?
In fact, it depends on the job. So most of time we work with the architect. So because the architect have all the plan, he have a different perception of the job. He know exactly what he want to do, and the customer don't know exactly what. Yes. So the architect, it's
like
more
in Russia.
Yeah, exactly.
all architects and designers same.
Exactly. So for the depends for the sometimes for the commercial parts, we prefer to work with the clients. Directly because it's more easy to show to the clients what will be the result, the brochure, and it's more interesting for us because we have answer to our question with the clients. So it's more it's more quick to work.
Very good. And how is work now in Europe and in France? The crisis is finished now.
Yes,
because
today,
2 years ago it's
2 years ago it's very hard. Yeah, we have a lot of big project. You remember we work together for a big project, and this one stopped.
It stopped now. It's in the cans.
It's not now. For the moment, it's very slow. He asked
nothing,
for some.
Nothing sale.
No, nothing sale because the project is freeze. It's completely freeze. So we don't know exactly. We work. Again for the project, but for this project, but just for for commercial parts, so for modification of the website or something like that, but not. It's very slow, so we don't know exactly. It's.
And what about others?
For the
other project?
Other project for the moment, a lot of communication projects. It's a small communication project. A lot of websites.
What does you mean communication projects?
Communication project. It's all kind of project like. Like a business card, like flyer, like logotype, like communication in the magazine, like something like that. That is it's a communication. It's pure communication project.
Polygraphia.
Exactly.
Brush is polygraphia.
Okay. And a lot of website also. And most for the.
But your website not ready.
No.
I come to your website.
Exactly.
Every half year, it's exactly. Every time under construction.
Yeah,
you
exactly.
need to finish it.
Yes, because in fact, we don't have the time.
My website too.
We prefer work for the customer and not for us. But
good answer.
Yeah. And we have a lot of.
This is the best site. We
exactly.
Prefer to
only for the customer access.
Yes, only one.
Exactly. And we have a lot of asking for for website, but for the shopping website.
Shopping?
Yes,
Ah.
to sell e-commerce. A lot of e-commerce asking we have. So we work now in e-commerce, and we try to create some website to sell product. So a lot of customers ask for us for this kind of product now. But we try we love the CGI. We love it. We think that it's a very specific job, and we try to make CGI for a little project, just to show what it can do. We can do, but it's very difficult for us to.
I see your album with your visualizations, very good.
Yes,
Erik
we
is
try.
a very good visualizator.
Thank you.
3D artist, very good.
Yeah.
I
We
make
try.
photo,
We try.
if possible, make photo and
Yeah,
show
of course.
what you make.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.